Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
This is Weasley. On this Saturday's Liqueur episode, we're talking about Somrus Chai Cream Liqueur. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell me a little bit more about this particular liqueur video or liqueur?
Now, we all know I'm going to like this because it's based on the bottle alone. That's a really cool bottle. Got this gold on it. It's just this cool shape. It's decanter shape. It's really cool. And in fact, it's all functional, so I'll tell you about it here in a moment. All right, so this came out in 2014. It's the very first Indian liqueur to come out in the market that's based on Indian flavors. Somrus means nectar of the gods in ancient Indian language. It is inspired by the taste and flavors of India. They said that on their market share, between 70-80% of that drink this are not even Indian, which is pretty surprising. In fact, it's not even available in India yet. They said they plan to be in the top 10 liqueur markets, the U.S. being the biggest one first, and then they'll move into India at some point in time so they can scale it up. They've done really, really well in the market. Like I said, they took their inspirations from Bailey's, Kahlua, Jagermeister on how to become a leader in this. It's done. They also now partner with Sri Lankan Airlines, which is part of a big deal. But this bottle is what's really cool. This is obviously it's a gold covered bottle. It's UV protected. It doesn't need refrigeration. It's got a 2-year shelf life prior to even opening it, so you can sit on the store shelf. But it's not going to. Apparently, the repeat business has done great. It's made. And then the funny thing is, it's made in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. So what it's made up of is it's made with Eastern spices and nuts. So it's 5 times distilled Caribbean rum, then mixed with Wisconsin cream, and then the spices that are included in it and nuts are cardamom, almond, pistachios, rose, saffron, and turmeric. And they also make a mango and a coffee one as well that came out. But this is the original one they put out. So let's see what we think of this.
It's a lot more heavy cream. Really good. It's a lot more heavy cream than I was expecting with the name.
It is heavy cream, but this is the first one I've ever gotten that I even know that made with pistachios. And I don't know if there's a pistachio liqueur or not out there. Maybe there is. Something I'd like to try if there is. But yeah, you really pick up the pistachio, the rose, the saffron, the cardamom.
Yeah, the rose and saffron to me are what lead the way. It's very, very floral.
Almond, the cream, the turmeric, they're all there. I don't really smell the rum though. If it's there, it's really faint.
Yeah, to me, the cream berries that. And
the cream is, definitely one of the biggest things. It's a really pretty nose, though. But yeah, that chai, which of course makes all those chais, those things. But
it's quite floral. You want to smell?
What does Weasley think?
You want to smell?
Nope, not a fan of that one. Nope, maybe. Well, not so much.
Not as much. Okay.
All right, then.
I just like to know your opinion sometimes, Cap.
That's right.
Whoa.
Okay. It's a bit sweeter on the palate than I was expecting.
It finishes with those chai spices, though.
Yeah. The cream is your first, like, sugary cream, and then the chai spices on the finish. The rum is definitely there more on the palate, for sure.
Agreed.
But yeah, it's cream, the chai, then you pick up each of those individual things, the rose, the saffron, pistachios, and the turmeric, the almond. But also got like this little bit of like black pepper and an eggnog vibe. Not quite as thick as that tiramisu we just tried, but it's still got that kind of that eggnog-y vibe to it. But that chai is really nice in the finish. That chai is really good. I really like that finish. They said that to add this to tea. There's all sorts of cocktails on their website. There's tea is the big thing to add it to. You can add it to coffee. You can add it to different things. This over ice is also really good to serve it that way. You can chill it, whatever. But yeah, it's got a lot of awesome cocktails on there. But this in fact, it has some funny names. Let me grab it real quick because some of the names were actually pretty entertaining off of their. Yes, the iced dirty chai latte, the chai me, and the vanilla Chianti. So I think are very entertaining names. So like I said, go on the website. It's a pretty website. They did a nice job with it. Check out some of their cocktails, but. Yeah, it's good. I think this would do very well.
What's the proof and price point?
Proof on this one is 13.5%, so it's a low alcohol content, so like a wine. But its price point I think is between $25 and $30, so it's a little more expensive. But you're using more expensive things in it. Saffron's not cheap in general, things like that. But yeah, I think this is supposed to taste like stuff. I mean, I don't know a lot about India as far as like their taste and spices, but this is supposed to be like this is really good. So I think I could see this
I
doing,
think added to
apparently
a
doing
chai
very,
tea.
very well.
I think added to a
Absolutely.
chai tea, that would be delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'll have to try that
There you
later. Sounds really
Fair
good
enough.
there. Love the bottle. We'll get you guys the mango and the coffee one at some point in time. Don't have them, but I'm sure at some point we will. So, yeah.
Well, just as a reminder,
good.
don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss it when those videos pop up. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Join the conversation. Become part of the community. Until next time, keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers. Burn.